All right, what's going on, everybody? Here we are again. You guys remember the last 2011 Dodge Durango Crew 5.7 Hemi video I posted was about the blend door actuator, and your air conditioner heat won't blend back and forth, or your motor keeps rotating and you think it's a relay, or your motor keeps coming off, blower on, blower off. All right, anyway, that was the last video. We got something else going on. Now the actual blower's going out, the bearings. So let me show you how to change that right quick. I'm gonna tell you to start with, disregard taking this off. You don't have to do this, skip that. All right, that being said, here's the motors. Let me show you how to take it off first. When you come up to your Dodge, here's the glove. All right, you see this piece here? I got it halfway off. It's tucked up in here and all that stuff. There's pop rivets. See, there's one here, see there? Simple pop rivets that come out with it. Here's when I'm gonna pop this off my hand and take it off. Just reach up in here, pop it down. All right, pull that down. Your motor, get my flashlight. Your motor's gonna be sitting. See all the dust particles? Holy crap. I don't know if you can see that in the camera. All right, your motor's gonna be sitting in that hole, okay? It's gonna be sitting right up in here like this. It's sitting right up in here. All right, here's the plug that plugs on it, okay? One simple plug, three screws holds it in. Size of the screw is Torx T20. This is a 1/2 inch. You don't have to use nothing this big, but I use this because actually it's a big, big heavy duty. Harbor Freight anyway. Ding. All right. It's heavy duty, so I can just, actually I don't need a wrench under it or a driver, 1/2 inch drive ratchet. I can just do it with my hand. Boom, boom, boom. Tighten it right back up, no problem. This stuff don't need to be torqued like that, man. This stuff is plastic, you know what I mean? All right, let me get this damn screw out of this tray. Okay. I did bring that, but don't need it. All right, now the motor is this. Here's what mine was doing. All right, after the actuator and all that stuff I replaced, everything's working fine. But now the bearings, let me see. You see if you can hear this. See how it ain't got much free roll anyway. I know you can hear that, right? You guys hear that? See, it's got bearings are going out in it. And me and the wife just took a trip and it was raising hell. I said, oh Lord, when it's raising hell, guys, your bearings is going bad or something's going out in it, It ain't loose yet, it's still good and tight in there. It's just when it's rolling, something's going out. Might be the brushes, I don't know. But anyway, when something's doing that, man, go ahead and fix it. You know what I call this? When it's making noise and still working, I call it a free warning. See, free warning. So it's always good when we replace parts before they break, because you don't be inconvenienced that much, if you know what I'm saying. All right, the one that come out, like I said, 3 Torx bits. Here's the part number for the old one that come out of it. Here's the part number for the new one that come about to go in it. And here's what it looks like. Got the white fans. Same thing. Oh, much smoother. See? Don't hear nothing. And this one. Hear that? This one. See what I'm saying? All right, anyway, man, that's what the problem is. So this came from AutoZone, $118. That was tax and all, like $118.50 something, blah blah blah. That came from AutoZone. Advance had them for $112, but they had to order it. AutoZone had one in stock. All right, now here is one tip. One tip you got to know. Watch this, okay? Because if you don't, you're gonna get pissed. All right, before you take this thing off, you can see, yeah, you see that? That's a retainer clip. See how I done broke it off? See, that's cause I got pissed. I didn't get pissed to the point where I'm snatching and ripping shit around, but I got pissed to the point where I just took a little pair of cutters and cut them off. If you need to pull this out, if you can, but this is what it is. This is the old one. One of these little ears around here. See here? See? When this thing's up in here like this, it goes around like this. All right, it fits like this. See the long part here goes towards the back. Unplug it here. All right, when this thing fits in there, that wire, this plug here that goes to it, that plugs into here, is connected to this. Just a secure to hold on there. And here's the tip: take this off before you take this fan down and take the screws out. Okay? Unplug it first. Take this off, or see if you can unravel it from the actual clip itself, which I doubt it, but you can. Some of you guys might have a little tool to do that, but if you break it off, it's no big deal. Just don't be pulling on this now. Don't be snatching on this. That's bad news. You don't want to do that. I just took a pair of clippers. Where they at here? And these, and just clipped it off. When you put your new one in there, it's just gonna plug it in, and it's no big deal, man. Anyway, that's how you fix your blower motor going out. 3 Torx T20 screws. Pull this cover down. 2 snaps. One here, one there. Snap, snap. Pull it down. 3 Torx screws. First thing you do, pull this down, unplug, unsnap from the ear, the little housing here, securement. Then 3 Torx screws. Pull it down. Put your 3 Torx screws. Plug it back up. Put this up and walk away. And laugh. And laugh to the bank because you've done it yourself. So there it is, man. 2011 Dodge Ram Crew 5.7 Hemi, front AC heat blower motor. There it is, man. All right, guys. Peace.